Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies. If you're following this project, we've got our Zerks installed. We've got our cracks sealed between the Zerks and we're starting the injection. Main thing with injecting these is experience. Because you inject too slow, it's gonna set up, you're not gonna fill the crack. If you inject too fast, you're gonna blow it out the back of the wall or you're gonna blow a Zerk off the wall. So I'll show you what I go by. Not sure if you'll be able to see it, but there's little air bubbles in these lines. You want to put just enough pressure on your gun to see those air bubbles moving. Just ever so slightly in the line. So depending on the crack, you could inject one port for a minute, or you could inject one port for an hour. It's just having the experience to know how fast and when to move to the next port. So you can follow this project on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link and watch close to 2,000 videos of my other projects. Jade Alpine, little epoxy injection project.